Have you ever considered using AI chatbots to make money? What do you think is the biggest opportunity for businesses to profit from AI chatbots? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end, as I will go over the guide on making money with AI chatbots. Welcome to our video on making money with AI chatbots. In today's digital landscape, AI chatbots are not just a tech trend, they're powerful tools that can help you generate income in various ways. Whether you're a business owner looking to enhance customer service or an entrepreneur seeking new revenue streams, AI chatbots offer exciting opportunities. In this video, we'll explore how these intelligent systems can automate tasks, engage customers, and even drive sales. We'll dive into different strategies for monetizing chatbots, from creating your own chatbot service to leveraging existing platforms for profit. You'll learn about the essential features that make a chatbot effective and how to implement them in your business model. Plus, we'll share real-life success stories that highlight the potential of AI chatbots in generating income. So, if you're curious about how to tap into this innovative technology and turn it into a lucrative venture, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets of making money with AI chatbots together. Understanding AI chatbots. AI chatbots are advanced software applications designed to simulate human conversation through text or voice interactions. They play a crucial role in modern business by enhancing customer engagement, streamlining operations, and providing instant support. These intelligent systems can handle a variety of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to guiding users through complex processes. At the core of AI chatbots is natural language processing, NLP, a branch of artificial intelligence that enables machines to understand and interpret human language. NLP allows chatbots to analyze user input, recognize intent, and generate appropriate responses, making interactions feel more natural and intuitive. The applications of AI chatbots span across numerous industries. In retail, they assist customers with product inquiries and order tracking. In healthcare, chatbots can provide appointment scheduling and symptom checking. Financial institutions use them for customer support and transaction inquiries. Additionally, educational platforms leverage chatbots to facilitate learning and answer student questions. As businesses increasingly adopt AI chatbots, understanding their functionality and potential applications becomes essential for anyone looking to harness this technology for growth and efficiency. Monetization strategies. When it comes to monetizing AI chatbots, there are several effective strategies to consider. One popular approach is the subscription model, where businesses charge users a recurring fee for access to premium features or services. This model provides a steady revenue stream and encourages ongoing engagement with the chatbot. Alternatively, pay-per-use services allow users to pay only when they utilize specific features, making it a flexible option for both businesses and customers. Another lucrative opportunity lies in affiliate marketing. By integrating affiliate links within chatbot conversations, businesses can recommend products or services and earn a commission on sales generated through these referrals. This not only enhances the user experience by providing personalized recommendations, but also creates an additional revenue channel. Additionally, AI chatbots can be powerful tools for lead generation and sales conversions. By engaging users in meaningful conversations, chatbots can qualify leads, gather contact information, and guide potential customers through the sales funnel. This targeted approach increases the likelihood of conversions, making chatbots an invaluable asset for businesses looking to boost their bottom line. With these strategies, the potential for monetizing AI chatbots is vast and varied. Case studies. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of businesses that have successfully implemented AI chatbots and reaped significant rewards. One notable case is Sephora, the beauty retailer that uses a chatbot to provide personalized product recommendations and beauty tips. By leveraging customer data and preferences, Sephora's chatbot enhances the shopping experience, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. Another example is Domino's Pizza, which has integrated a chatbot into its ordering system. Customers can place orders through various platforms, including Facebook Messenger and their website, making the process seamless and convenient. This strategy has not only improved customer satisfaction but also boosted sales, as it simplifies the ordering experience. From these case studies, we can glean valuable lessons. First, personalization is key. Tailoring interactions to individual customer needs can significantly enhance engagement. Second, integrating chatbots into existing platforms can streamline processes and improve accessibility. Lastly, continuous optimization based on user feedback is essential for maintaining effectiveness. By analyzing these successful implementations, businesses can better understand how to harness the power of AI chatbots for their own growth and profitability. Challenges and considerations. While AI chatbots offer exciting opportunities for profit, implementing them is not without its challenges. One common pitfall businesses face is underestimating the complexity of chatbot development. Creating a chatbot that effectively understands and responds to user inquiries requires a deep understanding of natural language processing and user intent, which can be daunting for many organizations. User experience and engagement are critical factors in the success of a chatbot. If users find interactions frustrating or unhelpful, they are likely to abandon the chatbot altogether. Businesses must prioritize designing intuitive and engaging conversations that keep users interested and satisfied. This involves continuous testing and refinement based on user feedback. Additionally, ongoing maintenance and updates are essential for keeping a chatbot relevant and effective. As language evolves and user needs change, chatbots require regular updates to their knowledge base and functionality. Neglecting this aspect can lead to outdated responses and diminished user trust. By recognizing these challenges and proactively addressing them, businesses can better position themselves to leverage AI chatbots for profit while ensuring a positive experience for their users. Future trends in AI chatbots. As we look ahead, the landscape of AI chatbots is poised for significant transformation, driven by emerging technologies and evolving consumer expectations. One of the most impactful advancements is the integration of machine learning and deep learning algorithms, which will enable chatbots to understand context and nuance in conversations more effectively. This will lead to more natural and human-like interactions, enhancing user satisfaction. The demand for personalized customer interactions is also on the rise. Consumers increasingly expect tailored experiences, and AI chatbots will play a crucial role in delivering this. By leveraging data analytics and user behavior insights, chatbots will be able to provide customized recommendations and solutions, making interactions more relevant and engaging. In the next few years, we can predict that AI chatbots will evolve to become even more versatile. They will likely incorporate voice recognition and sentiment analysis, allowing them to respond not just to words, but also to the emotional tone of conversations. Additionally, as businesses continue to adopt omnichannel strategies, chatbots will seamlessly integrate across various platforms, providing a cohesive customer experience. The future of AI chatbots is bright, with immense potential to revolutionize how businesses interact with their customers. In conclusion, we've explored the exciting world of AI chatbots and their potential for generating income. From subscription models and pay-per-use services to affiliate marketing opportunities, the ways to monetize chatbots are diverse and promising. We've also highlighted real-world case studies that demonstrate how businesses like Sephora and Domino's have successfully leveraged chatbots to enhance customer engagement and drive sales. As we discussed, the future of AI chatbots is bright, with emerging technologies set to make interactions even more personalized and effective. This presents a unique opportunity for you to consider implementing chatbots in your own business. By doing so, you can streamline operations, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately boost your bottom line. If you found this video informative and inspiring, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and business strategies. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from learning about the potential of AI chatbots. Together, let's unlock the power of technology to transform the way we do business. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.